kids. Love to see your smiling face. Let's start with the circle time. Fold your legs and say with me. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Om Bhurvuvasva Tasya Vidvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodaya. Om. Now 5 times Om. 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 Stand up for national anthem. Jana Gana Mana Dinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkal Banga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchchal Jaladi Taranga Tava Shubha Name Jagi Tava Shubha Ashish Magi Gahe Tava Jaya Gatha Jana Gana Mangala Dayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He. Hi kids. So yesterday we learned alphabet E. Today we are going to learn sound of alphabet E. The sound of alphabet E is A. The sound of alphabet E is A. Do you understand? The sound of alphabet E is A. A. And sound of alphabet A is A. A. So, now we will sing a song for alphabet E sound. Let's start with the song. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, it's cracking egg like this, So, the sound of alphabet E is A. Again, we will recollect all alphabet once again. Start with A. Alphabet A. Alphabet A sounds A. Sounds A. Alphabet B sounds B. Sounds B. Alphabet C sounds K. Sounds K. Alphabet D sounds D. Sounds D. Alphabet E sounds E. Sounds A. Sounds A. Once again, recollect all alphabet. A, apple. A, apple. B, ball. B, balloon. B, ball. B, balloon. C, cake. C, cat. D, drum. D, door. E, sounds a, eggplant. Eggs. So now once again we recollect all the alphabet. So start with me. A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, drum. E, egg. Understand? Okay. Now once again. A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, drum. E, egg. A, ant. B, bag. C, cake. D, dog. A, elephant. So now you understand the alphabet and their sounds. Once again, we will start from the sound A and sing the song for the sound A. Ants on my arm, ants on my arm, it causing me alarm. Once again, ants on my arm, ants on my arm, ants on my arm, it's causing me alarm. Correct. Now, alphabet B sounds B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Again, alphabet B sound B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Alphabet C sounds K. Sounds K. We are clicking castanets, ka. We are clicking castanets, ka. We are clicking castanets, clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets, ka. So, sound C is K. Sound C is K. Now, alphabet D sound is D. Sound is D. Now, for this alphabet D, we will sing a rhyme, drum, which is for alphabet D. Sounds D. See me play on my drum. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun with da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. Once again. See me play on my drum. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun with da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. Correct. Now this is E. Alphabet E. Sound is A. Sound is A. What is the sound? Sound of alphabet E is A. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, It's cracking like this A. So these are the alphabets and the sounds are A, B, K, D, A. So once again we will sing all the songs of alphabet A, B, C, D, E. Fine? Sing with me. Hands on my arm, hands on my arm, hands on my arm, hands on my arm, it's causing me alarm. Bring a bat and bring a ball, Bring your bat and bring your ball, Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Sound is B, alphabet is B. Sound is C. We are clicking castanets, ka. We are clicking castanets, ka. We are clicking castanets, We are clicking castanets, ka. Sound is Ka. Now sound is D. Sound is drum. Okay? See. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun with da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. Sound is D. Now sound of alphabet E is A. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, It's cracking just like A. Now, A, apple. B, sound is B, balloon. C, sound is K, cake. D, sound is D, drum. E, sound is A, eggplant. So, you know the alphabets and sound of alphabets. Recollect all this. A, B, C, K, D, E, A. Now we will do some fun exercise. Let's start some games. We will play Teacher Says game. Start with Teacher says touch your head. Teacher says touch your eyes. Teacher says touch your ears. Teacher says touch your nose. Teacher said touch your cheeks. Teacher says touch your shoulder. Teacher says touch your knee. Teacher says joint your fingers. Teacher says stamp your feet. Teacher says bend down. Teacher says up your hands. Up, down. Up, down. And final. Teacher says clap silently. Clap, 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 clap. Thank you. The poem is for numbers. number rhyme. Yes. Start. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and doctor says, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and doctor says, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and doctor says, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and doctor says, no more monkey jumping on the bed. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and doctor says, no more monkey jumping on the bed. Correct. Now we will have to do some fun time. So let's start. Whatever the teacher says, you have to do that. Correct? Yes. Start. Touch your head. Touch your eyes. Touch your ear. Touch your nose. Touch your lips. Touch your cheeks. Touch your fingers. Now touch your knees. Stamp your feet. Tap your shoulders. Silent clap. Correct. Now clap with me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Now we will sing another poem. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding dong ding, ding dong ding. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding dong ding, ding dong ding. Correct. Now we will sing poem of fish, but it is Hindi poem. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो तो मर जाएगी. पानी में डालो तो तैर जाएगी. Once again. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. हाथ लगाओ तो डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो तो मर जाएगी. पानी में डालो तो तैर जाएगी, पानी में डालो तो तैर जाएगी, पानी में डालो तो तैर जाएगी. You like aloo sabzi? Correct. The poem is कच्चा आलू कहाँ गए थे? बैंगन की टोकरी में सो रहे थे। बैंगन ने धक्का मारा, रो रहे थे। मम्मी ने प्यार किया, हंस रहे थे, हंस रहे थे। कच्चालू कच्चालू कहाँ गए थे? बैंगन की टोकरी में सो रहे थे। बैंगन ने धक्का मारा, रो रहे थे। पापा ने प्यार किया, हंस रहे थे। कच्चालू कच्चालू कहाँ गए थे? बैंगन की टोकरी में सो रहे थे। बैंगन ने धक्का मारा, रो रहे थे। टीचर ने प्यार किया, हंस रहे थे, हंस रहे थे, हंस रहे थे। Okay, now last but not the least, ever favorite poem. Johnny, Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lies, no papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha, ha ha ha. Once again, Johnny, Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lie, no papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha, ha ha ha. Kids, we sing all poems. Now you have to do some scribbling and some exercise with your parents and enjoy the day. Thank you.